I just wanted to share with everybody what you can do to fix a broken fader on a Behringer x32 soundboard. This, in this particular case, it's not a bad motor because I can hear the motor moving. It's just not moving the slider or the fader. In this case, it's this. I'm not going to tell you how to take all this apart because there's other videos for that. But in this particular case, I had bought some replacement fader modules, but it turns out that I don't need to use that because if you look at this little gear here, it's this one right here. The little belt is not on the gear right here, and it's because this gear has popped up. You see on these other ones, the gear is pushed all the way down against the motor underneath, but on this one it's popped up. In order to fix that, all you have to do is unscrew these two tiny screws. You can move the motor down to get the belt back on the gear, and once you do, you just push this little white gear down, and as you can see, well, once I get the belt out of the way, it'll push down and enough to where it looks like this, where there's no gap underneath. What was happening before is that belt gets in that gap because this raised up. I don't know why it raised up, but it did. But that's a quick fix for it. Oh, here's another one where it happened. You can see I just discovered this, so I'll do the same thing there. That's it.